do a lot of sports. From S1 to S3, I was part of the school hockey team. Then I also played badminton, table tennis, and lawn tennis. And at home, house chores, I was always around everything. I even remember we would go with mom to the garden, spend a long time there, and I would even come back when I'm just fine, So life before AVN, really, I think it could be any little child's ideal life. And the biggest challenge I faced was having to transition from being a normal free girl to being a girl whose walking is aided with crutches, And then I was told I can't put any more weight there, so I had a lot of things. I had to stop sports, I had to stop doing things I like to do, riding my bike around. Anyway, I don't know if I would really have loved to go through that situation. I really wish I never heard of AVN. I really wish I never had to go through it. But it came, and the adjusting part was really very difficult. So when I approached Dr. Madeo, I kept calling him, he kept telling me, come with an x-ray. I went, I got the x-ray done, and I saw him. And the first thing he was like, you know what? You need surgery. And he had this big smile on his face. I was like, is the thing that simple, So I was like, okay, but the challenges I face. So he was like, I know, you go and look for money for the hospital, you need surgery. He kept on insisting. So I had to tell him to talk to mom. He called mom when I was right there and told her, Mama, the surgery is happening. I think mom asked him how, and he said, I don't know how, I don't know when, but it is happening. Then the next day, it was now a Friday. At 11 a.m., Dr. Madeo called me. He was like, how are you? I'm like, I'm good. Where are you? I'm like, I'm at home with mom. Okay, good. Prepare to come to the hospital. I have a hip for you. Just like that. Recovery wasn't so easy on my end. There were some complications with my nerves. After surgery, my foot dropped. I was in so much pain. Nerve pain is not like any pain I have felt in my life before. Okay, I have been through crisis, but with a crisis, at some point you get to know what to expect, You get to know what really it is about, and you get used to it. But this other pain, the only way I can describe it is that if it was World War, then there was a World War going on in my leg, Like shooting, electricity. I feel like there are raindrops falling on my leg. I felt like there were insects walking around on me. And then this constant burning, it was really burning. Burning that even water cannot cool. At that point, I really regretted. I was like, I should have remained with the pain I know, rather than this new pain that I really don't know. The doctors kept encouraging me that you're going to be fine. Dr. Madeo even came and checked on me here because I could not make that journey back for the review so soon. The leg was swelling a lot. He would tell us, buy compression stockings, do this, go for physio. So I started going for physio, but I was referred to the orthopedic doctor here at St. Anthony's by Dr. Madeo. He told me, go to the doctor, I trust him. Then at some point, I stopped affording the physiotherapy sessions. So by the time Angel reached out to me that we would like to come and see you, I was like, I don't know if she even remembers the message I wrote, but it was very long and I was really, really hurt. I was feeling like I should have remained with the pain I know, rather than this new pain that I really don't know. But she encouraged me. She said, let me talk to the team. Maybe we can come in to support the physiotherapy sessions. And indeed, she spoke to them and she came back to me with the information that they were going to support the rest of the physiotherapy sessions. When I continued going for the physiotherapy, things improved. Like I went off the boot, my legs started feeling a little bit, as I was telling you, the first time my toes wiggled, I felt so excited. I even came home and showed mom, you see, it shook. I was so excited. Then I had hope that it was going to be okay. If I had had this surgery done sooner, I believe that my life would have taken a really different direction from where I am now. There is no need to fear, because this is something that is going to improve your quality of life. You know, you're not going to be in that constant pain. Here, I'm perfectly okay. That hip joint pain that used to come and you feel like it's stabbing at that one, I don't even remember how it felt, by the way. And at some point, my friends at school even used to call me popcorn bones, because when I'm standing up, I'll be like, I don't know if I have the right words to say thank you to Raremark Foundation, to Josephine, to Dr. Amadeo. I saw the passion that he had so much to continue Josephine's legacy, you know.
Because of my experience, I have realized that I need to make a change. I need to make a change not only in my life, but in the lives of those who are living with sickle cell disease.
Josephine was like my OG. We studied together in primary school and we kept a little bit of contact here and there throughout until I heard of her passing. May her soul rest in peace. I am really humbled that a friend who is not here with me supported me through this process. So if there is any way that I can support the work, that would be my way of saying thank you to Raremark Foundation, to Dr. Amadeo, and to Josephine.